Alright, so here we go. New faucet, no more leak. Perfect. Coming up under here. Let's check for leaks on the supply lines. Everything looks good. Try. Okay, that's good. Alright, so we're replacing this leaking sink. As you can see, it just keeps dripping over and over and over. So we're gonna solve that right now and get rid of that. Alright, so we got, we're in room suite 200. We're just putting that new one in, replacing that leaking one. And we're gonna take the old supply valves, supply lines out, put the new ones in. Alright. Okay. Alright, here we go. So got the hot, got the cold, mix, can turn. Pretty nice. And check for any leaks. Everything looks good. Nothing on the supply lines. Everything looks good. Perfect. Okay, we're in 209. As you can see, this thing is all messed up. It's leaking everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. And let's see how it's the same style. Okay. All right, so I had to cut all that out because it wouldn't, them nuts would not come loose. Ended up burning the Milwaukee nitrous carbide extreme metal, and that stuff, try to cut this brass stuff, destroyed the blades. I mean, it literally just destroyed them. So anyway, we got it out. So down to the easy part is getting it back in with the easy stuff, modern stuff now. All right, here we go. We got a new faucet in finally after a lot of cutting to get that other one out. That was a lot of fun. All right, let's get this first one in. Okay, that's not trying to go on there very well, is it? I'm on thread on there already. water back on. Okay, all looks good. Alright. No more leaks, looks good. Don't get that hot, does it? Not much hot water coming up this way. See if I can turn up the hot water a little more. Weird how there's not much hot water on it. Well, for that hot water to come. Alright, there you go. So cold. Then you turn it to hot. Mix. Off. You can rotate it here, but not down here. This stays stationary. And I tried to clean up the best I could.